Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the sixth string or E-shaped Sus4 guitar chord. That's your Sus4 guitar chord. Now, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, your Sus4 guitar chord is made up of your first, fourth, and fifth. So, in this example, I'm going to show you how to play the G Sus4 sixth string or E-shaped guitar chord. Now, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the third fret and take my index finger and just bar it right over all those strings. And what will end up happening is the first note I'll play will be on that sixth string, third fret, which is a G. And again, that's my root. And then on the fifth string, third fret, that's a C. And then I'm going to place my ring finger on the fourth string, fifth fret, and play that G. And then I'm going to place my pinky finger on the third string, fifth fret, and play that C. And the bottom two notes are just going to be played with this index finger being barred. The bottom two notes are going to be on the first and second string on the third fret. So I'll be hitting up the D and the G. And when I play them all together, it's going to sound like this. And don't forget to not only strum it, but to play those notes individually. And work on making a nice, crisp, clean sound. Anyways, that's your sixth string or E-shaped Sus4 chord. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out my other videos.